We are going to try to, this log we're not going to do in a conventional sense because it's 12 feet long, because we need a couple 12-foot planks. So we are going to try to move this log onto a couple little stumps that are here as it is, and we're going to wedge them so it's slightly elevated, but not on the ground. So we're going to see what happens. This is going to be a interesting thing. He's putting on our log skid. And we're going to see what happens. We're not going to reach that back one over there.
No. It's alright, just pull it and see what the hell happens.
Do you want to move it where it's towards the front more now? So we can pull the front up? Because the back is already...
Alright, let her go. Alright. Let's them out.
Okay. Another thing you're going to see us doing this one is we actually... We actually have to move the ladder while we're cutting because it's not long enough, because that ladder is only about 8.5 feet long. Okay, get ready to wedge it, babe. Want me to go get the,
How'd that work for you?
we'll just have to go get the other piece over here. There we go. And we'll do that again. Because it's going to be way... Make this go out. Try this again. One thing about doing this stuff is nothing's going to go perfectly.
All right.
And you really have to change with the situation.
Go ahead and tighten it up a bit.
We knew there was no way we were going to be able to pull this log up onto the ramp.
Alright, let the pressure off.
Trying to get the log to stabilize, and we've got it so it's off the ground. Good?
Yep.
All right, now we're turn this off. And now he's going to saw off the edge here so it's even. And then we're going to put the ladder on top on the first part. And then while he's actually, we've never done this before, not this part. We've done 8-foot planks. This is the first time we're doing a 12-foot. So this is going to be the first time we're going to try to move the ladder while we're doing the cutting. And what he's going to do is he's going to saw about halfway, and then while he's still got the saw and just holding it still, I'm going to undo the ladder and I'm going to slide it down to the rest of the edge.